me take this walk some Mandela. Let me take this walk some Mandela. Let me take this walk some Mandela. Watching me as a freedom yari there. Boy, one of them we murder.
Masiari Africa Springboard ngwangaredza ndenga mazina ngabdaro ndi Andani Stewart ndi Sidogi ngabzondi yamakuba chitereke ndigerera balimi abo TD chibase nandikudzanyi anaruzvipa airega ndivana na musiri Thohoyandou ane pa block P West ndunera kutanga na msuwana anodiwa swa Khuliso Gumani aka hustler ane aba mubiki mukati aba biki mtotho wawe uwo kusuberera ngandere mangadzo ukuma. Cooking is an act of preparing food using heat for consumption. Ho munna oduma changolo ngwangaredza Facebook ubadiwa ngaye zi Instagram na Twitter naone bathu vothe zvikolo na gai vamudivori ndi mubiki mukati ava biki ngangeno zvino ria jena rivonera aiwa Khuliso achiita zvithu zvawo ubva kamiliro na dzipfuni achipanza achichechera matamukisi na dzinyana na miroho yothe achivhanganya zvichivoleha achivosevedza zviva zvikotoitisana ola
Solomon Matango Niga ripa kure niri chake kazi batu Madibo magic unga paramedic emergency la pronto Mandela orifunza unity Rina chikiri cha uniki Rafara narpeza poverty.
Let me take this walk some Mandela. Watching me as a freedom yari there. Boy, one of them we murder. Let me take this walk some Mandela. Let me take this walk some Mandela.
Lights, cam, action, my life is a movie, bruh. And it's a
without wasting any time, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce the guy of the moment, the undisputed, the heavyweight of humor. He's a cook. I call him Master Chef. Khuliso Gumani. Welcome to the show, man.
Thank you so much, my man.
No, basics. Richikotoamba ngototabanya risingototabanyesa. Richiri Khuliso Gumani rivari kwambanganyiwa guy.
Khuliso Gumani, the P West. This is where I do all my businesses. I've got a degree, a Bachelor of Arts in Development Studies.
That's interesting.
But, the hustle must continue.
Yeah.
Like you said, Real Hustlers everywhere. So
I don't know if this is a coincidence, but the show is called The Real Hustlers.
it's not.
But people call you hustler.
It's nature.
Why hustler?
Because I have not given up on the struggles of this world, and I do not want to talk politics. I do not want to talk struggles.
Yes. Zobika. Zotoma lini. Noni nanotutuwedzwa ngani nchita mafungo obika.
Mafungo obika I've always loved nice food. Mara ndoba ndichiri ndibangana vangavodalesa. Vamwe vadori kandibve ndibikenge, vamwe vari kandibve ndibikenge, and then zvaita uri ndione uri vamwe vangana ndikova navo, vamwe ndikova navo. So I decided kutoita miti kutozvivhurira business hayani uri can I have everyone come to my house, then we sit down and have a social life. Sazvo zvinoda kuita zvona.
Yeah. And then ichitoma ezvobika pano wayani chede yotoma urenga zvithu zvine nashumisa zvone chibika unoiwana gai una mtu otonipo cherede unodito save yangu
cherede ndotofiwa.
Okay.
Cherede ndotofiwa ndopo 300 rand. Mara upere kwa 300 randa akunga 300. It felt like 20,000.
Okay.
Ngori ndotuma ndambiwa na nofe mafungwa otangana na swafuna na mini, but there is this that you can do. Ndaita zvimwe zvine tunwarwa ndichiita zvone, tunwarwa ndichitechereza. Ndazama kutechereza mumwe mutu achiyamba rutivi. And then now you guys are here.
Khuliso, una vathu vanji vanobika ngamanda Thohoyandou. Vanobika mivhango yongopambana. What's so special about your restaurant?
My ingredients and my social life. Ningabika kana ndabika yanzi kana nichichirisa zvimwewo chotoshora zvilozo ndi zvimwewo
ara chichirisa zvimwewo zvilozo zvato zviva zvimwewo
totomatomoni. So
okay.
You must balance this thing.
Yeah.
Vatu vakotodotorenga pano ngori kamsi ndochera mamwe madi But at the same time, some because lost a bit.
It's a big.
No, you must
Okay.
respect your customers.
Your customers. Ndakudomba zvone ngori customer inga dayarenga namusi, right? Ndi lunch bathu vha kushuma ḓoroboni vha ḓa vha renga a ḽa ṱuwa si tsha vhuya. Kha ini ndi zwifhio zwine na ita uri customer dzamu dzi dzule dzi khou vhuya tshifhinga tshoṱhe?
A tshi dzhena na gate, u tonga u dzhena na gate ḽa hawe.
Okay.
First things first, he or she must feel at home. A dzhene hafhanoni a pfhe a comfortable. And then we compliment our customers with nice food.
With nice food.
That's all, because basics must be covered. We are selling food. What type of food? Is it nice food or is it just food? So we don't have just food. We only have extremely awesome food.
Just the word Utoma business from the scratch is not a child's play. Obviously there were challenges. This was when I na wona zo in je zwa zwi sorry. Ni pfonga zwi koni kondisera ni pesera ni swike afho na vhone namsi.
Ndo tea thoma nga munhu wa tshitendi uri a ṱanganedze uri vhathu vha ya dzhena, vhathu vha ḓo renga zwiḽiwa, vhathu vha ya ḓa vha vhanzhi. Ende vhathu vha vhafani. Mara zwine zwa khou itea ndi tshithu tshithihi. Ndi khou humbula uri ri shume vha ntendele vha vhone uri hu nga shumea nani. Ndi khou amba na vhaṋe vha tshitendi. Vatenda hashumeya. And then I realized that if you want to advance, ninga si tori ndo ṱangana na challenge heyi na heyi na heyi a dzi fheli.
Ndi zwone.
Dzi dzula dzi khou ḓa ngori we are not enough yet.
Yeah.
Ngori na vhewe zwa zwino u funa nori ni tshi ḓa hafhanoni no wana thi no ḓa zwino ni tshi vhuyelwa vhila ni tsha tou wana hu so.
Ufuna vhona dzi improvement.
Nda.
Yeah.
Zwino mafhungo ane a vha a tshi khou tou ri khakhisa ndi a uri we want to advance and employ more local people.
Coming to the advancing part, where do you want to see yourself and your business the next 5 years?
I want to see myself having chased everyone in this house and changed it to a place where the locals and as far as the internationals know that when we get to Thohoyandou, vendor, just vendor, not P-words, just vendor. Ndu ine haya haliwa khayo, zwiḽiwa zwine na nga pfa unga zwo no humisela hayani. Ndi fhasi. So the plan is to actually expand to an extent where I don't need to be seen at that place for business to operate.
Khuliso, kuna vhathu vhanzhi nga maanḓa vhono nga ini vhane vha funa u bika zwi tshi khou ḓi thoma hayani vha ḓo pfa khou kadzinga dzi nyala dzi tshi nukhelela na vhomakhelani vha pfunga kha musi na minyanya hu si na minyanya ane na ene u na muḽoro wa vha na business yo no nga yavho. Ndi ifhio advice ine na nga vhufha yone?
Start.
That's it.
Yes, wake up and start cooking.
Start cooking.
But you must cover the basics. Komblori, usongo vha na muthu ono ya a renga zwidina na thanga a sina tshitendi. Zwithu zwi tshi mlenga ine nḓila ya kale na kale. Cover the basics and then do the most.
Yeah.
Avuwe, a stoke, a rengise.
Yeah. Now let's go into your kitchen, right?
Yes.
Lupango lelo na vanhu khou shumisa ni khou tshea nga ro maṱamaṱisi. Ni tou vhona dzi phanga dzo ri una lwa maṱamaṱisi, una lwa dzi ṋama, una lwa miroho, una mini. Kana ndi lolu ya luthihi, ndi lolu ra ḓi vhona dzi butcherani hafha.
Ndi shumisa lufhanga luthihi. Ngori khishi yanga ndi nthihi.
And then kula kutshetshelele kwanu kwa dzi master chef. Ni tou kuyela tshikoloni kana ndi zwine nini mina ndo ḓi gudisa?
Tshikolo ndo dzhena hetshi. Hafha nṱhani ngori
Hafha university.
a tshina zwo tshetshelela. Hovha zwiṅwe zwa zwithu zwe nda ri ndi tshi khou aluwa no khwaṱha thi khwaṱha ngo zwi vhona nda.
Yeah, and there's a quote which says, don't trust a skinny cook.
You understand?
Yes.
But I would like people to trust me. Ngori I eat mara ati khwaṱhi ngori ndi spendesa tshifhinga kho perfecta zwiḽiwa. I want to make sure that the next person that is eating my food one of the pleasures is okay. That's what they expect. You understand? So I taught myself how to chop. I taught myself how to cook.
And then ndobona una miroho hapa la unakubikiwa. Ndi miroho warushaka the team miroho yongo pambana.
Miroho ndiva ndikushimisa spinach na muchaini. Sometimes I will make chakalaka. Ndivana wanalentela kavishi. And then I buy from local.
Yeah.
Una umwenga kupasi una zitsimu nyana so.
Yeah.
I like to buy fresh from the garden.
Yeah.
Nando tava ngamurawo ngapo.
Okay.
But vale tuzenda kutozvibona. Arali ichi chintu chamurwadza uyu munhu. Mafungo ave akamira.
Before we go to our quiz game, I want us to talk about Mulilo hot sauce.
Mulilo hot sauce.
Man, why a hot sauce? I mean, you could have created something else. Why hot sauce?
I was raised by a chili family.
Okay.
My grandmother makes chili sauce, but she doesn't eat chili sauce. She doesn't eat chili at all. And then ndosvika umwenda rusunga kutsianga vachifuna zvinhu vava. So vata vapiripiri hayani apana zvino vavana chifhinga chotomona nangade rikutochera piripiri yevava yotovhara rikutotenga. So I was channeled to this thing. Maybe it took time, mara ndava na problem yori ndichila nditobela zvinhu zvovava ende tina piripiri.
So how long does it take to prepare the entire bottle? To mix these peppers and then bottle and then packaging and stuff?
The thing is,
how long does it take?
We start from the hunting of the chili.
Okay.
We're not going to determine that time in this conversation. But when we are preparing,
yeah.
So this thing will take me an hour, let's say.
Okay.
And then the day in there, blend. Before I get it into the blender.
Alright.
What is the ingredients? We call that process simmering.
Oh.
Process simmering process.
English. School.
Yes. Not really English, but so what is I'm doing at event? Ndikatori zviliwa zviyavuyerana zvakakwana namunhu uri pasi wagona. Zvino from then uita haya mabhodhero at least a 48 zvinovasvinjira 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Yes, that's awesome. 3 minutes, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Now I want us to play our quiz, right? I'm gonna give you options of things that you know. Just choose your favorite. Okay. I can give you teams. I can give you stories.
Bring it in.
Artists.
Bring it in.
Like it.
Bring it in.
Black Leopard, TTM, Big Vest.
Black Leopards, FC, forever.
Forever. Generation Skim Sam, Gomorrah, and the Queen.
I would like to say Generation.
Misophil, Bamba.
Misophil.
Bomo, 21 Dre.
Bomo.
Makazi, Nomkevo.
Makad.
Master KG, DJ Clear.
Master KG.
Casper Nyovest, Nesty C, MT.
Nesty C.
Boiti, Queen Bonan.
Boiti.
We are done. We are done. Yeah, man.
Did we have a nice interview?
No.
Thank you so much for pulling up. My phone is
great, man.
Actually blowing up. So
it's great.
What's going to happen is that
now I'm just going to give you a simple thing, right? I do this all my interviews. Straight to this camera, you're going to sell yourself and your business in a period of 45 seconds. You tell us who you are, your services, your social media platforms, and your contact details. Straight to this middle camera, 45 minutes, your time starts now.
Khuliso Gumani here, aka Hustler, Mr. Good Food, Real Hustlers still. This is our brand. I've got a partner. This is my brand and my partner. I cook nice food. I stay at P West. My name is Khuliso Gumani with contact digits saying 072-453-0943. And then my Facebook handle is Khuliso Gumani, is it? And then I've got my Instagram that says king_Gumani. I would like you guys to contact me for more details. Amen.
Before I let you go, bro, Are you dating? Are you single? Are you seeing someone? Are you
Dating?
married? Yeah.
Dating. A married man even. With no wedding yet.
No, it's not an entanglement though.
It's not entangled. No one wants
It's a real thing.
Entanglement was not good for our, for our season. Maybe.
Okay. If you say so.
But are you dating?
No, that's for another day.
I didn't know that I was not allowed to ask questions. But good thing. Bomo, shout out Andani.
Yeah.
Shout out this thing that you're doing. Must be blessed.
There you had it, ladies and gentlemen. Talk to somebody you don't know, exchange numbers, make new friends. Don't drink and drive, don't compromise but condomize. And importantly, don't let your past challenge your present and paralyze your progress. We're out.
Amen.
From the gutter, Panda, Pusha, Madiba, Icon, John Unga Elton, history in the legacy, Hangwa and the remedy, King Unga Kennedy, voice in the energy, Aluta continua, Rotary Comacha, one voice, one mic.